Here's 3 pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The rule's in millimetres. I'll just bring it up to show you the size. These 2 pieces down here, that's sitting on top of it so you don't get too much parallax error. The first piece, I think this will grind off here and you end up with a stone across there. Electric greeny blues, another little stone on the end there, and then around here you might find something else, but don't know about that. There's basically being sold for that piece there. This piece I picked up and there's just a little bit of colour on the face there. I'm just throwing that in. Someone might as well have it. This piece, small stone over here perhaps, but this is the better face. It's got some scale on it there. Another fissure there, but I don't think that'll go anywhere much. Basically I think it's that face. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking at those. Cheers.